Hi you, so this is going to be a little bit of a rough and ready video, a little bit different. We're demoing things and ripping things out, renovating, and it's going to be a very real episode because we can't avoid the noise, so apologise for that. And also, have you subscribed yet? Because you can click that button and you can stay tuned for lots more because you're going to see the whole journey of us creating this home. Oh, and Mom's here. Say hi.
Hi. I am site supervisor.
Site supervisor.
The guys are great, but just saying yep, and then I keep adding things to their to-do list so that it's literally double. We have the palm trees where the rats potentially live. We don't have palm trees in England.
Definitely don't. And Moms, we're filming in a couple of days here. I hope you're ready for some craziness. We're in the garage right now, and as you can see, rubble, rubbish everywhere.
The rubbish truck is coming later because there's literally now so much rubbish. They have to clear this rubbish to make way for all the new rubbish.
There's also this secret little garden right here.
And then we're going to make this into an area where Philip can come out and do some weights. You can put down a yoga mat, do some ball work. Iskra's dad can build his muscles. I actually took the guy right up the canyon bank, and he had the same vision as me. At the very top, it would be so cool to have a patio area with a table and bench so you could literally watch the sunset.
It'd be very, very.
That's going to happen.
Yeah. Maybe not this week. No. Definitely not this week. Careful.
Yeah, they're watching nails. We were here with iPhones.
One guy did hurt his leg though. Remember he went on his ankle? Right, so let's see what they've been up to in here.
I'm going to smell a rose actually. Oh my god, they smell really nice.
Of course they do. That's one of my favourite things about the house.
Some roses have no smell. Oh, that is nice. I love a lovely smelling rose. Everybody that knows me knows it. If we go out anywhere in the summer, I'll say, stop, I want to go and smell that rose. Oh my gosh, that is nice.
So here you can see, this will be the living room.
Wow. There was the ugliest big bar in there.
That's where the bar is now.
This is also going to go, this whole area here, that is all going to go, so literally you're coming through the door and this will all be one massive big space.
So
this will be where Philip watches all his American football games.
Yes, and all those 3-point touchdowns. And don't you want to help them somehow? There's so much to do.
Yeah, working miracles, you would not. Seriously, when we walked in here, when we did the walkthrough Monday, I was like, oh, Ish, this is a much bigger job than I'd seen from the pictures and videos. We need serious help here. See, what's going to happen is I think this garage will be completely knocked down. And then this will actually be like part of the new house.
The second bedroom right now doesn't have an ensuite. So you'd either have to come into our bedroom and use our master ensuite, or weirdly, just off the living room, there's a bathroom with a shower. So it's a very peculiar layout that we need to rejig, but knowing that we're going to build the second floor anyway, I don't want to start moving rooms around until we figured out what that's going to look like. So we actually already have an architect working on those plans, so you'll see those very soon. This floor is the original floor, so that means it's nearly 70 years old.
But we can go more white.
I think more white, I think it's just a different tone, you know? It's already that cooler tone, so I think that's why we like that one extra white. Yeah, I like this one. It's gonna change the whole house, and that just proves that you don't have to completely rip up all your floors. You can just sand things down. We're really trying to keep some of those features and then just like update it and make it our own. But I love these windows, so I want to keep the character. The whole house is going to get a paint job. It's going to be white with a beautiful coloured wall. I'm not going to tell you yet, you'll have to wait and see. These ceilings, we're actually going to also spray paint white as well and just clean them up a little bit to just really make it kind of feel more spacious. We're planning on having a staircase right here when you walk in and leading up to 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms upstairs. Because right now it's just a 2-bed cottage and it's very, very cute and I love it. But you know, as we expand our family and whatnot, so we're gonna head to the bedroom so you can see. It's crazy in here. That's actually the second bedroom. So, come in here. Keeping the shutters, love the shutters. The wardrobe, gonna rip it out. We're gonna rip all this out. Painting this whole room, got some lovely bedding, it's gonna be good. Little things like fresh paint and new doorknobs make all the difference. So we're gonna keep these because they're kind of cute and old, but we're gonna change the doorknobs. Hi. Lisa, you built the wall already?
Already?
Jeez. They built the wall already since yesterday. Thank you. Look at all this stuff. Wow. This was very strange. They had a curtain between the bathroom and the wardrobe. So strange. We can fit a lot in here, you know. It would even be nice inside the wardrobe to have like the 2 clothing hanging rails, but then maybe have a little island in the middle, you know? Little bits and bobs in there or some drawers. It's basically gonna be my closet, so it's gonna have a couple of things in it. He doesn't know that yet, but anyway. I'll show you the kitchen. Not too much is happening with the kitchen. To save money, we're gonna leave it for a while. That's very loud. Because it's fine, but one day we're gonna like completely do the kitchen as well. This is a very unique fireplace. It's like a double-breasted fireplace where it has one there and one there. And there's one in the living room too, so there's 3 fireplaces in this house. So it's gonna be very cozy, very snug. This is the kitchen. It's also noisy in here, so but basically it was the same tile that's in the kitchen that was in the living room. Originally we weren't even sure if we were going to get rid of it, but when we really took out the big bar, we realized, well, we're messing the floor up anyway, why not just rip the whole floor up? As you can see, it seems like very hard work. Oh, and here's Mum's.
Just been up to the very top. Oh my goodness, it is sweaty, but the views are amazing. Oh my
We'll have
gosh.
to take you up there one day.
I'm just going to be the bearer of bad news though.
Oh no.
Can't film here on Sunday
Why?
because they have to do all of that flooring in that big room. He said they need it because it's going to take so long to get all. No, they can't be completely silent. He said it would be impossible.
Can they not do it after and we'll just film in here?
Yeah, it's not possible, Leash. I love working miracles, but this is one that I cannot work. It'll be worth it.
I know it'll be worth it, but like originally we were gonna move in on flipping
dust on your
Thursday or something. I got dust everywhere.
Which I knew wasn't realistic
So I'm like
anyhow.
paying for all more hotels for all 3 of us, and oh goodness.
I've said I'd sleep in the same room.
Yeah, Philip would love that.
Mum-in-law in the same room.
Oh my goodness. 3 in a bed. Anywho, this is the furniture. Imagine having your really beautiful brand new sofa outside while all this work goes on around. I'm really scared that it's gonna get damaged, but I can't wait to sit on it when the house is done and just snuggle up with Philip and watch some TV. I mean, it's all here, it's ready and waiting. We just need the house. My mum is on it. She is. The thing is, she can do a lot of DIY stuff on her own, so she's just like, oh well, I can do it then, you know, or like, you should be doing it quicker, or da da da. Mrs. Pitter in action, which stands for pain in the oh yeah,
2 coats. You see the 2 coats? 2 coats.
It almost looks like white tiger stripes.
I know. Look at the difference with the second coat.
Oh, I love that. I
That's
know
why
it
I just
doesn't look, I know it looks nothing like what we chose.
But that's
Nothing like what we chose.
Because that one is like all white.
But I love that.
That is, it's picked the wood up even more, the grain.
Yeah, it has. It's
2 coats.
Yeah.
I can
It's gonna love it. Yeah. Seriously, that is amazing. Didn't see it before. It was dark. It was as dark as the ceiling.
Yeah.
When you get up there, you will not believe it. The path, the steps.
Well, you got to take us up
patio.
there.
Okay. Let's go up.
We're going on a hike. I hope you're ready.
And here we're going to build these circular steps, probably 3 of them. Yeah, nice and curved.
It's grapes. Look.
Yeah, no, we're keeping the
Can
vine.
you see the grapes underneath here? Start planting some more trees. We're gonna have an
I want a
avocado
walnut tree, a fig tree, a walnut tree, fresh rosemary. I love rosemary.
It does sound amazing.
I love rosemary, garlic, roasted potatoes. resin to stop the wood rotting. Here, look, this is about to fall. That's the problem, is if you don't protect wood, wood rots. You must cover the wood to protect it, make it last that much longer. Be careful. We're only halfway up.
Like, how is grass growing there, just in that patch? Not anywhere else.
This is the shape of the tree. No, because there are special plants that you can plant that attach themselves to the ground and stop land from
We need
slipping.
those.
The views are amazing.
Imagine
But
having a
also-
swing up here.
You're going to have a path up those steps, up along, because that's still your land where those two cypress trees are.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, here we go.
Came up here the other day in heels.
What do you like? You're the only person who could do that. Watch your legs, this is spiky.
I've been looking at all these pictures on the internet for so many months that I wanted to stand here and actually experience it, so I was in heels.
Oh my goodness. I know if that's a good idea. Oh. Well, at least if I go, it's on camera.
Here, he's going to build the patio area, clear all of this, and here you'll be able to walk up here and sit. And then look, the sun will set over there, which will be amazing.
Goodness, the house is really
Can you imagine
far
coming
down.
back, Paul, and you sitting up here and having a glass of lemonade and thinking, I was here when it was dodgy.
So we need to build a slide so you can just slide back down.
That would be really cool.
That'd be-
Remember that movie? There was a movie, The Money Pit. So this house to me is the money pit. Oh, Tom Hanks was in it then. It was all about this house that kept sucking all of their money. It was a comedy, obviously. What? It's a massive hole. There's no way your foot went down that far.
I didn't go down it, but I pressed.
Oh no, there's something living there. What would be living here? Look.
Let's hope it's a bunny.
Sorry, I couldn't
Top of
resist.
the hill, and you're. Oh.
What do you reckon it would be in California?
Possums?
What's a possum?
Don't Google it. It's like a rat, but bigger.
Oh, jeez. We have a friend in England who's a geologist. And when we showed him the inspection report, the slope of the rock in this bank, he was like, oh my goodness, don't buy that house. And we were like, she's got her heart set on it. She's going to buy it, even though, and he was trying to convince us.
Well, it's already been his 70s. Let's get these splinters
Oh.
out. You managed that.
I've still got 3 to go.
On that note, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
Definitely gonna go sort this out with my mom. Don't forget to comment anything that you feel like inspo or you're excited about for the house. Any ideas are very, very welcome. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Mwah!